find the measure of alpha, which is the angle made by vector A with the positive x-axis. So we're going to use a special property for direction cosines. So there is a property that we use, but before then, let's show or prove the property. So we'll know that if from this diagram, if alpha is the angle made by the vector A and x-axis, beta is the angle made by vector A and y-axis, and gamma is the angle made by vector A and the z-axis. So from what we've done before, the direction cosines, which is cos alpha, is always equal to, vector A is axi plus ayj plus azk. So the direction cosine of alpha, that's cos alpha, the direction cosine is now ax over the square root of that over the modulus or the magnitude. We've known this. Also, the cos beta, which is this. We've proved that in my previous video, so we don't need to waste time. And cos gamma is z over the square root of that. So let's try something. Let's add the squares of the direction cosine. So let's do cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma. So let's see what we'll get. So this is ax over plus the square plus this plus that's the square plus is az okay square. So you notice we'll get something unique. So this is now a subscript s all squared over the square root is gone, so let's not waste time. Let's add everything. If you notice, they have the same denominator, which is this. So this is a subscript y squared plus a subscript z squared. So what do you notice? The answer is 1. So from today, the direction cosine, if you sum it, the squares of the direction cosine is always equal to 1. So that's what will help us to solve the question. So let's go back to the question. So we are looking for alpha, but we know that cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma is 1. You get? So we are looking for, let's repeat this, that's what we are looking for. Why cos beta? Beta is the angle made by what? The vector and the y-axis, which is pi over. Cos beta is pi over 3. So I have cos squared pi over 3 plus gamma is pi over 4. So I have cos squared pi over 4 is equal to 1. So we'll repeat this. This is cos squared alpha plus cos beta is cos 6, which is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 all squared plus this is 145, that is 1 over root 2 all squared equal to 1. So this is 1 over 4, so I have cos squared alpha will now be 1 minus this 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Yes, so which will give us 1 over 4. Yes, therefore cos alpha plus or minus half, that's the square root of 1 over 4, which implies that alpha is now cos inverse of plus or minus half, which is 60 pi over 3 or 2 pi over 3. Looking at the option, the answer is option B, because even from the diagram you see that alpha is obtuse, not acute. Check, it's obtuse. So the best answer is 2 pi over 3 than pi over 3.